channel is all about teaching digital marketing, like, ideas, skills, and mindset to achieve digital marketing success. If you are visiting first time to our channel and found any value, please subscribe to our channel for more videos and don't forget to hit that like button. Okay, let's start with today's topic. Hi, YouTube, how are you all? Today, I will show you how to make money online with free 155 million website visitors. Check out this website called Medium.com, which is getting massive traffic, and there is a way to use this traffic for your products. Today I will show you how to do that. Go to the Medium.com and sign up with them. Once Medium people accepts you, Medium.com will allow you to write posts on their platforms, and you need to follow some guidelines to post on their platforms. You need to start writing review posts for the products you are promoting. Basically, a review post consists of all information of products, pros, and cons of products as well. At the end or middle, you need to add affiliate links in the post. So, if the reader likes the products and intends to buy the product, he will click on your link and go to the product. If he or she buys, you will earn a commission. Since the Medium.com has massive traffic and ranks top in Google searches, hence, there will be a high chance of making sales. To make this work, and to get a high return on investment, we need to write the reviews of products before many marketers don't know yet. To reduce the competition, means need to post the review content before the product launch. So how to do that? Watch the next step carefully, don't miss any step. Go to website name called Muncheye.com. Basically Muncheye's platform, where vendors post their launches details, like, when the product is launching, where it is launching, and how to get the affiliate links, etc. Go to Muncheye.com, select any product you want to promote, and click on it. It will take you to the offer details page, where you can find the link to Jvzoo page of the product. Click on the link, it will take you to the Jvzoo page, where you can find the product details, like what kind of the product is it, whom it will benefit to, who is the vendor, and also, how to get the affiliate links to the product. Most of the offers in Muncheye platforms are launched at Jvzoo or Warrior Plus platforms. You need to sign up to these platforms to promote these products. Don't worry, they will accept affiliates from all around the world. Once you accept it, you need to request the vendor to promote the product. After that, you are ready to go. You can start promoting the products. Click on the Get Affiliate Link button. After clicking, it will take you the affiliate request form directly. If you are not a member of those platforms, it will show you sign up form. Then, registered with these platforms, and start promoting. In the affiliate request form, mention a small note or information to the vendor, like, I am a new affiliate in Jvzoo, I am planning to promote your offer through review posts at Medium.com platforms, I am very much interested in promoting your product, please accept. Like this, try to put your own words. And click on the request approval button. After that, they will send a notification of your approval and you can start promoting. After getting approved by vendors, start writing your review post. For this content, use all the details from the product Jvzoo page, try to mention the details of the product, give your honest review for the people, try to mention in the post that, how this product will benefit them or who it will solve their problems. Don't forget to leave your affiliate links in the article, also give people a call to action. After you post the article, you can share it on social media, to get more exposure to your post. Put some work in the process, follow the exact steps as shown in the video, you see the results. If you want to earn an extra $10,000, register now, for the free webinar training with an internet mastermind today. Take action, make a difference.